We are not scared. We are not afraid. Enough is enough. My people says it's enough. We're only paying the price because we were the first black nation who freed ourselves from slavery. We say no more.
Instead of targeting and criminalizing innocent immigrants, we must defend temporary protected status and permanent legalization. If we so desperately need someone to criminalize, let us start with our president, who is guilty of 34 felony counts with a new scandal emerging each day without consequence. Trump has dehumanized the Haitian community from the very beginning on the debate stage, displaying his ignorance and disregard for dignified human life.
The mass sentiment in this country is against Trump, against ICE terror, and in support of the immigrants in our communities that make our communities run. We demand an expansion and a redesignation of TPS for Haitians. We demand permanent protected status for Haitians. We demand ICE out of Ohio.